Welcome students, how are you? Good morning to all of you. And everyone get ready with your copy and pencil and one eraser. Come on, everyone. So, you are going to write today and you are going to write on your own. Okay? And after you complete your answer, you are going to show me. Okay? Come on, let's start. So, and let me see who is the first one to complete the part. So, today we are going to make sentence. Okay? Students, today I am going to give you some words in jumbled form and you will make a logical sentence with those words. Okay? And you will write in the chat box, one who will first complete will write the answer in the chat box. Am I visible and audible to all of you clearly? So can we start? Let's start. Very nice. Come on. So the first one and the first sentence you have to make. I am going to give some words. So write down in your copy the words and then after you try to make sentence out of those. Okay? So here I have given you some words. Those are the, tub, cat, the, is, in. Now you have to make a sentence with these words and you will follow the punctuations also. So let's see who is the first one to write the answer and show me the copy. Come on, sir, can I see who is writing? Okay, let's see who is writing. Okay. So the first answer I got from Nandini, second from Orgo Mondol, and third from Afreen. So Nandini, you have missed the punctuation mark full stop. You have missed the punctuation mark full stop. Okay? So just take care of that part. Very nice, Nandini. Shashmit, we are not going to listen any type of voice recording. So if you want to say something, please type it. Please type it. Shomrik, punctuations have not been followed. Your sentence is not correct. So very good. Orgo, Afreen, Nandini, everyone has given the correct answer. Shomrik, please rectify your answer. So this was the sentence. So we are going to write the cat. Here comes the cat. Is in the tub. So here comes our first sentence starting with capital letter and ending with a full stop. So you have been given some words in jumble order and you have to make construct a sentence in a logical way. Okay, so let's go for the next one. And the next one, let's see who is the first one to answer this. This is number 2. Everyone is writing in their copies? So who is going to make the first one to make the sentence out of these words? Dog, a, big, moti, is, fat, and. Come on. Come on. So 6 are writing. Let's see. Moti is a big and fat dog. So Ritika is the first one to write the correct answer. Now rest of the students are writing. Come on, make it fast. Until that time, I am writing the next sentence. Arjo, Tathagato, Trishita, Moti is a big and fat song. Arjo, please rectify the spelling of dog. Okay, and Trishita, full stop is not there. Okay, very good. Come on, let's go for the third one. So who is going to make the sentence first? No problem, Tisita, don't be sorry. Let's go for the next one. And yes, Moti is a big and fat dog. Now the next one, words are before you. Please make sentence. And Nandini is the first one to make the sentence. This is an axe. Very good, Nandini. This is an axe. Very nice. Come on. Very good. Good. Inakshi, your full stop is missing. Very good. Okay. Excellent. Come on. Now, let's go for the next sentence. Okay. And the next sentence is. So who is going to make the first sentence? Words are top, by, went, Tom, to. So some are writing. Orgho is writing. Let's see who is going to give the first answer. Nandini is the first one to give the answer. Tom went a. No, Nandini, your answer is wrong. And Orgho has given Tom went to buy a top. Excellent, Orgho. This is the correct answer. Tom went to buy a top. Nandini, please rectify your answer. Okay. Ritika, very nice. Now, Nandini, your answer is correct. Shushobhan, Afrain, went to buy a top, went to buy a top. Okay, Trishita, Arjo, Inakshi, very nice. Let's go for the next one. And the next one is. So, let's see who can make the sentence first. Gun, man, is, the, with, a. The man is with a gun. Nandini, excellent. You are the first one to give the correct answer. Very good. And next comes Arjo. The man is with a gun. Very good, Arjo. Afrin also, very nice. So, Nandini and Arjo was the first to give the correct answer. Very good. Trishita, Orgho, very nice. Let's go for the sixth one. So, who is going to write down this one? Come on. Who is the first one to make the sentence? The books are on the table. Very good. And the first one is Nandini. Very good, Nandini. The books are on the table. Second is Trishita. Third, Afrin. Very good. Orgho Mondol. Very nice. Excellent. Come on. Now let's go for the seventh and eighth. So, who is going to make the sentence first? Let's see. Come on, until that time I am writing the eighth one. Come on, let's see who is going to make the sentence of this one also. Your attendance is going on, so all of you, please wait for a minute and continue with your next sentence. I will be checking it out all together. So, Inakshi, your W has become capital. So, it's wrong. Construction of sentence has become wrong because of that one. Please take care of that. Tom wore a cap, and the first one to give the answer for seventh question is okay, Nandini. Nandini gave the first answer. Then after Trishita, Tom wore a cap. Tom wore a cap. Very good. Next, the, in, was, the, are flowers. So let's see. The flowers are in the vase. Very good, Nandini. Very good, Afrin. Excellent performance. This time Nandini has done very well during this class. Very good, Argho, Ritika, Arjo. So the flowers are in the vase. Now the last two, that is 9th and 10th one. Let's see who is going to do the last two as fast as possible. You will complete it. Okay. So let's see who is going to complete it. So, 9th, school this hour is. Come on, let's see. And the 10th one, so who is going to write these two? And the first answer from Trishita I got, this is our school. This is our school. Very good. And each and every student has given the correct answer, and the first answer for the 10th question has been given by Arjo first. Cow gives us milk. Very good, Arjo. Cow gives us milk, and Nandini also. Very nice. Cow gives us milk. So today, students, what we did, we jumbled up some of the words and we made some sentences. That means what we learned? We learned how to make logical sentences with some words, right? If I am giving you some words, if I am throwing some words to you, you are able now to make sentence out of them, right? So in my e-portal activity next assignment, I am going to give you the assignment, that is, you will make sentence with some particular words, and those sentences should be as possible as you will make it, okay, on your own. This activity will be done for you. You should make the sentence as far as you know. If you are making any mistake, let it be. I will rectify it. Okay. But try on your own. And with this, I conclude my class today over here. I will be again back with the science class. Bye-bye.